Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Akfaizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about the Curtin-Hammett principle. You know friend, this is important topic for NET examinations and master students. So look at this picture. There is a del G. You know this del G is free energy. So this one is your transition state. So del G1 hash, del G21, del G2 hash. So GTS2 transition state 2 minus GTS1 transition state 1. This is the difference. This is TS2, this is TS1, so this is the difference. Now this del G, you can see here, red one, this is the energy difference. So delta B2 concentration divided by delta T, delta B1 concentration divided by del T is equal to exponential minus GTS2 minus GTS1 divided by RT. So relative reaction rates depends only on relative transition state energies and not on starting materials, ground state energy. Now friends, you can see what is the meaning of B1 in your equations. This is your B1, this is your B2, and this is the equilibrium A1 and A2. So A1 K1 B1, A2 K2 B2. So A1 is equilibrium with the A2, and this is the formula. This B1 is this and this B2 is this. Now friends, the Curtin-Hammett principle, I will give the example dynamic kinetic resolutions. The question, how can enantioselective chemistry convert a racemic mixture into exclusively one diastereomers? So look at here, this is the R and this is the S, and this is the enantioselective reductions of ketone forming SS. So H to SS makes sense, just incorporate new chiral center by enantioselective reduction. But how to convert R to SS? This is the question. And you can see Ryaji, Nagoya University Nobel Prize 2001. Now friend, the Curtin-Hammett principle is, you can see the S give the SS, R is converted to RS much more slowly than S2 converted SS with this catalyst. Diastereospecific yield of reactions on racemic mixture could not exceed 50%. So SBNAP, ruthenium Br2, you can see SBNAP. BNAP ligands creates two sterically hindered quadrants. This is also published paper in JACS. Now you can see R is converted to RS much more slowly than H2 SS with this catalyst, BNAP R3B2. Why? Lower energy rate determining transition state, SBNAP, S keto esters. You can see here steric congestions, higher energy rate determining transition state. Now friends, this S and this R, how it is converted to SS. So how to convert R keto ester to SS beta keto, beta hydroxy ester. So this is a chiral ester enolate, this S and this R, and this is S. So equilibrate two enantiomeric starting material through a chiral enolate by tuning Lewis acidity in solvent. Cotton Hammett ensure that all the decimate goes to SS as long as equilibration is faster than catalysis. So you can see this is SS, SS, S, R, and you can see the SR. So kinetic versus thermodynamic control. Increase frequency of going over reactions barrier by lowering transition state energy with catalyst or by increasing temperature. So B1, B2, A1, A2 in equilibrium, B1, A1, A2, B2 all are equilibrium. So under kinetic control, make product with the lowest energy transition state. Under thermodynamic control, make product with lowest ground state energy. So kinetic versus thermodynamic control. You can see in this picture. Principle of microscopic reversibility. The lowest energy pathway from reactant to product must also be the lowest energy pathway from product to reactants. So this is one path, A to P and P to A. Choose this path. If I were hiking, I would like pathway 1 from A to P and pathway 2 from P to A. But molecules are not hikers. They would always take pathway 2. So principle of microscopic reversibility, an interesting corollary, catalyst activate both forward and reverse reactions. So how does our body selectively degrade the proteins it want to eat and synthesize the protein it want to use? So isolate different reactions in different places. In gut, inside cells, you see subtilicenes, trypsin and papain, and proteolysis is driven by water, and ribosome protein synthesis is driven by energy ATP. So enzyme work both ways, but thermodynamics drive reaction in desired direction. So hope friends this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.